Thank you for choosing Hardoll Solar Garden Lights. If you're confused on how to use a solar lamp, please refer to the following steps. Like other electrical garden lights, solar lamps do not work out of the box. You have to keep it under direct sunlight for 8 hours in order to get the battery charged. While you are testing the lamp during daytime, cover the solar panel with your hand, since it's an automatic dusk-to-dawn light. Do not install the light indoors or under any utility light, because the light falling on the solar panel from other light sources will keep the solar lamp shut. Do not install under shades. We recommend to install it in a place where it can get enough sunlight. The light comes with 2 operation methods: on and off switch, full tag operation. If you have any more concerns, kindly contact us. Thank you.